children, today we will discuss about the last chapter. Fourth standard, the last chapter, Government of India. The exercise part starts from checkpoint. Choose the correct options. First question, India is divided into dash states, 28 states. Earlier, it was 29. Second question, the House of the People is the other name of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Vidhana Sabha. Which is the right option? Lok Sabha. Third question, dash members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President of India. 12, 13, 14. 12. Fourth question, dash is not a member of the executive organ. Options are Prime Minister, Chief Minister, President. Answer is Chief Minister is not a member of the executive organ. Next, we will move. Choose the correct options. The President of India is elected for dash years 2, 3, 5. 5 years. Second question, the members of Rajya Sabha are elected by the members of the dash. Answer is Parliament, Panchayat, Gram Sabha. Which is the right option? Which is the right option? Parliament. Is it? Third question. The dash is the head of the state. Governor is the head of the state. Fourth question. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for dash years. 4, 5, 6. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for dash years, 6 years. Fifth one, the dash is the highest court of state. High Court, District Court, Supreme Court. Which is the right option? Supreme Court, District Court, High Court. The dash is the highest court of state level. Which is the right option? High Court. Is it? Next, fill in the blanks. First question, India is divided into dash union territories. Now, 8. Is it? Dash members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated by the dash. 12 members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President of India. Is it, children? Third question. The dash is the upper house of the parliament. Which is the upper house of the parliament? Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. The dash is the head of the state. Governor. Is it? Governor is the head of the state. Fifth question. Members of the Gram Sabha elect the members of the Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat. Main question C. State whether these statements are true or false. Question. The government of India consists of 4 organs. Is it? No. False. Second question. All the citizens of India who are above 14 years of age can cast a vote. 14 years ಆದ ನಂತರದವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಅಬೌವ್ 18 ಇಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ? ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ವೋಟನ್ನು? ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವೋಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ third one, the President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Army. Exactly. Fourth one, the Gram Sabha looks after the need of the people of state. Gram Sabha looks after the need of the people of the state. No. Next, fifth one, the High Court of India is the highest court in our country. False. In country level, Supreme Court is the highest court. In state level, High Court. In district level, District Court. Match the columns. Column A, column B. First question, Union Government, Governor, District Court, Supreme Court of India. Column B, Central Government, District, Delhi, Head of the State. Union Government, where I have to match Union Government? Here only. Governor, where I have to match Governor? Head of the State. District Court, District level. Next, Supreme Court of India is situated in Delhi. Answer these questions. Name the three organs of the Parliament. Are you remember the organs of the Parliament? One is legislature, executive. The three organs of the Parliament are legislature, executive, and judiciary. The second question is, how are the members of Lok Sabha elected? The members of Lok Sabha are elected directly by the people. ಇವರು ಜನರಿಂದ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ. ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತವನ್ನು ಹಾಕುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಜನರಿಂದ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. The members of Lok Sabha are elected directly by the people. Third question, how are the members of the Rajya Sabha elected? Rajya Sabha has 250 members. Among them, 238 are elected by the members of the state legislative assemblies and 12 members are nominated by the President of India. Fourth question, what is a bill? How does it become a law? A bill is a proposed law. It is a plan for a new law. A bill can become a law only if it is passed by both the houses of the Parliament and signed by the President of India. Next, write a note on the working and functions of the Supreme Court. Answer is, the Supreme Court functions at the national level. It is located in New Delhi. It is the highest court in India. The Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President of India. Any citizen who is unhappy with the verdict of the district courts can appeal to the High Court and then to the Supreme Court. Sixth question, what is Panchayat? What is Panchayat? Gram Panchayat is the body that mainly works for the development of agriculture, education system, roads, water supply, animal welfare and cottage industries in the village. Differentiate between municipal council and municipal corporation. Whenever we are writing distinguish questions or differentiate questions or comparison questions, we have to make it block like this. Otherwise, you won't get the marks in SST subject. Let's discuss the comparison of municipal corporation and municipal councils. Small cities have municipal councils. Big cities, for example, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Bengaluru, have municipal corporations. The head of the municipal council is called a chairman. The head of the municipal corporation is called a mayor. Next, how is the central government different from the state government? This is also same question, but content is different. What is the difference between central government as well as state government? See here. State government, it governs the whole, central government. Central government, it governs the whole country. Its main function is to make laws and implement them. State government, the state government is responsible for the governance of the state. It makes the laws for the state. There are three organs of the central government. One is legislature, executive, and judiciary. In state government, the state government has two houses, legislative assemblies or the Vidhana Sabha and the legislative council or the Vidhana Parishad. The last point is the President of India is the head of the country. The governor is the head of the state. Think and answer. First question, what type of government is found in the United Kingdom and the United States of America? Find out. Answer is, the UK or United Kingdom is a constitutional monarchy, whereas the USA is a constitutional republic. The last question, why is Rajya Sabha known as the permanent house of the Parliament of India? Why? Because the Rajya Sabha is permanent house because it does not dissolve. 1/3 of its members, 1/3 of its members retire after every second year. The exercise part is completed. I will show all the answers in briefly. Next picture study. Fill in the blanks. True, false.